Welcome to Ura Academy Social Media Project. Ura Academy, since the formation of the first Tenidi Literature Committee in 1939, is now running the 88th year of its journey. This literature committee was renamed under the name and style Ura Academy in the year 1971 with the objective to widen its horizon of activities. The primary objective of the Academy was for the development of Tenidi language, but it was found necessary in due course of time for the Academy to cover the socio-cultural aspect of Tenime society in the context of changes taking place in the form of transition. With that in mind, we have been working hard, and the Tenime society as a whole extended full cooperation in supporting the cause for which we serve. Ura Academy will step into its 50th year by next year, 2020. The literary work of Tenidi was on hold for about 2 decades, around 1950 to 1970, due to the disturbances in Nagaland. We are grateful to few teachers who could maintain the link of development of the language in spite of facing extreme hardship due to political situation in Nagaland. In its eventful journey of 49 years, beginning from 1971, Ura Academy could make some notable achievements. We could develop Tenidi to attain a certain desired standard, and from there we expect the present generation, taking the language as a living one, will make improvements wherever necessary from time to time. We have also collected quite a good number of volumes containing about our past history, traditional practices of our religion, culture, by our postgraduate students in presenting their dissertation in their final examination. In doing so, we're also happy for getting the opportunity to start study about the history, culture, religious practices of our other Naga brothers. We consider ourselves moving closer to our other Naga brothers through these activities because literature has no border. The world is changing fast, and in order to catch up with the changes, we like to share with others the history, the culture, the religion, and our way of life under transition through this Ura Academy social media project. In the first place, this program will project how our forefathers lived as a people, how each village lived a self-contained society, producing everything sufficient for the daily need, from foodstuff to household materials of different kind, costumes, the ornaments, and so on. This program will also take you to many places where nature has its glory and grandeur with unlimited attractions. We believe you will certainly enjoy wandering in those God-given beauty of nature. Give you, yeah.